This is my favorite flavor of oatmeal. Good morning, guys. So this morning I had to drop my brother off to school and I was looking for my glasses, couldn't find that. If you wear glasses, you know how frustrating that is. I don't want to have to put on contacts to go drop off my brother. Like, that's just really annoying. I had to use like these broken, I don't even know, because I broke these, and I was like holding them up. I can't even open my eyes because I have contacts in now. I was holding them up like this as I was driving. When I was passing this intersection, the crossing guard thought I was saying hi to her. So then she starts waving at me because my hand's up like this because I'm holding up my glasses, but I can't move because I have one hand on the steering wheel and then one hand like this. So I felt really bad. Like, I tried to smile at her, but I mean, whatever. Honestly, note to self, if you have terrible vision like me, please don't get clear glasses. I was all for that, but now I'm not. There have been times where it was just like sitting right on my bed, but because it was clear, I didn't see it. Yes, my vision's that bad. This afternoon, I have an appointment at the vet for my dog because he has a lump on like his side or his stomach, and I have to go get that checked out for him. Hopefully everything's fine. Also, last week, I bought a jewelry holder, okay? That's the background to that story. It was missing like this pole piece. So whatever, kind of annoying. I go back to the Container Store to exchange it. But of course, me being who I am, smart. Wow, I just touched my cheek instead of my temple. I guess I'm not that smart. I opened the box, checked to see if there was a pole in this one. I was like, okay, we're good. We're good. So I explained what happened to the girl, and then I exchanged it. So I opened the box a couple days later, and as soon as I opened the box, something tells me like, what if like it's like missing a screw? And when I opened the box, I was right. I have to go back to the Container Store to get another replacement. I don't even know if you can do a double exchange. I've never done that before because I've never had to. This is just so frustrating. I want to upload a video today. It's a vlog about my Kybella experience. I don't even know what freaking day I'm on right now, but I'll show you guys my little progress. It's definitely up by the time you're watching this video, so definitely go watch it. So I'm done selecting the photos that I think I'm gonna use. I usually send it to my phone. That's where I edit my thumbnails. I'll bring you guys closer. Then what I'll do is I'll just go and select the ones that I just feel like work the best and look the most interesting. Now I'm going to be using an app called Fonto. So this is it right here. And then from here, I'm just adding my thumbnail. Then I'm just gonna add my text. So I'm just gonna go with day in my life. Then I have like a bunch of presets here, so I'm basically just going to choose whatever I feel like looks best. My dog does not like this place at all. He always recognizes it. This is where we adopted him. So whenever we come here, he freaks out. I don't know if he thinks we're gonna leave him, but we're just parked up right now. I'm sad that I can't go in with him because I know he's gonna freak out, but I don't know, there's nothing I can do. Cindy, it's okay. So they just took him, and I have to say, like, he did pretty well. I'm really proud of him. He just went. He didn't cry. The lady kind of like let him sniff her. He was totally fine. They did say he's due for a couple of vaccines, so he's gonna get that done. He's gonna get his heartworm done. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I have like doggy drool all over my car. Hold on, my sister's calling me. I just got back from the vet, and basically the doctor basically said that she doesn't know what it is. She said it could be a cyst, but she doesn't think so. So the best option would be to remove it. Removal costs $538 because we don't have pet insurance. To remove it and then also check to see what it is, that'd be $1,000 something. And then they suggested that we get his teeth cleaned while he's under anesthesia because he has some plaque. That would be an additional, I think like $500. It's a lot of money, but what else are we gonna do? I mean, we can't just not do anything. He's home, he's fine. Are you happy? Are you happy? No, he's not that happy. I didn't get a chance to upload that video, so I'm going to do that right now. Well, I don't know why I said before I didn't upload it. I did upload it, I just found mistakes. I fixed them in the car while I was waiting for Benji. See, now I guarantee you, he's waiting at the stairs to see if, yep, there he is. This dog literally follows me throughout the house. Okay, I'm going to do that real quick. Oh no, I forgot my computer was dying. All right, I am on my way to pick up my brother. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad because I really am thinking it's cancer. It's just hard to think about. I don't even want to think about that my dog may potentially have cancer. Anyway, picking up my brother. School ended for him literally now, so I'm late, but he'll be fine. I feel weird. Remember that lump? It's gonna cost 500 something to remove it.
To remove a lump in the skin.
And then they wanna like clean his teeth, and that's gonna cost an extra 500.
Clean teeth?
Yeah.
You have to pay $500 to clean someone's teeth. Because
they're doing it while he's out. But he has like a lot of like build up, so if we don't take care of it, then he's just gonna start losing teeth. I think that we should start bringing him to Petco to I guess get his teeth cleaned. It's just trouble to brush this guy's teeth, but we have to like really make sure we do a better job.